Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm using watercolor book and I'm going to use this card which is from Sarah Renee Clark and the card number is 495 and these are the colors I'll be using in this project. So for the beginning, I'm going to take the watercolor which is from Angora and I'm going to test it in a small paper and see if it matches those colors. So I'm going to match at least 3 to 4 colors. So I think I got 3 and I'm going to pick the 4th color. So it definitely matches all the 4 colors from that. So now I'm going to use these colors in this project. So first I'm going to activate the paint and then I'm going to spray some water on the page. Then I'm going to add those colors in this. So I'm starting first with the lighter color and then I'm going to add each color after that. So I'm just going to add in different areas and then spread it out. I'm adding water to spread it out. Then now I'm adding the blue color, which is beautiful blue. Then I'm adding water again and spreading it out. Then I'm adding the colors again on the top so it becomes a little bit bright. And then I'm going to spread it out. Now I'm going to dry a little bit, not fully, and then I'm going to use this I'm going to tilt it a little bit and then make sure that it spreads out. Then I'm using this silicone stamp on the top. So this gives a texture in the background. It's a silicone stamp which I found that in the baby book. Now I'm going to dry it. So once you dry it, you can see that the texture comes in the background. Now the next step, I'm going to use stencil. It's like a flourish kind of stencil and I'm going to use some black acrylic paint. I'm going to add this in different areas. My table is like it's not very big, but when I keep all other stuff then the space becomes less. So now I'm going to turn this and see where I want to have it so that it doesn't get overlapped. So now I'm going to use this crafters workshop stencil, and I'm going to add those dots, and I'm using blue acrylic paint. So I'm going to add this in different areas. Now I'm going to add a different stencil and then add the black acrylic paint. Then I didn't want to fill it up with everything, so I'm just going to leave it, and I'm going to do some doodling in this. Now I'm going to use this gold mica paint. Then I'm going to do some dots. I'm going to add all those in different areas, and um, I'm going to do different things also in this project. That gives a lot of shine. So now I'm going to use my black pen and then do some more mark making. So you can do as much as you want it. So there is no limit for it. So I'm adding in different areas how I want it. Then I'm going to add some more dots and then finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.